Well, attorneys for former President Trump have asked a judge to pause lawsuits in several civil cases seeking to hold the former president liable for damages related to the January 6th attack on the Capitol.
This comes as the Supreme Court is set to hear oral arguments next month on Mr. Trump's claims of absolute immunity. He's accused of attempting to overturn the 2020 election results, which led to the events of January 6th. The High Court's ruling will determine whether the election interference case brought by special counsel Jack Smith can move forward to trial.
NBC's Garrett Haake joins us now from Washington with the latest developments. Garrett, good morning. So walk us through this motion filed by Trump's attorneys. What happens if his request for a stay is granted by the judge?
Yeah, it's pretty straightforward here. What they're doing is essentially holding up this oral arguments that they're going to have before the Supreme Court in late April as a shield against any other January 6 related cases, arguing that if the Supreme Court says Donald Trump is immune from criminal prosecution because of presidential immunity, that would change how their argument would play out in these civil cases. I'm not a lawyer. I sometimes play one on TV, but it seems like the kind of thing that a judge might look at least as a cause for delay here on cases that obviously we're now several years into anyway. So we'll see what this judge in the civil case says. And of course, we're waiting probably till fairly late in the summer to hear what the Supreme Court's going to do on this immunity question.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.